midnight laundry, watching the clothes spin around, listening to the lonely, heavy sound. To rain, Furu, to be rained on, Furareru. Yes, Furareru. To laugh, Warau, to be laughed at, Warawareru. Yes, Warawareru. Washing away the tears and the pain, standing alone in the midnight rain. Just let the water flow. Midnight coin laundry, glowing in blue. Things happen to me, things happen to you. Furu becomes Furareru. Warau becomes Warawareru. Change you to A and add RERU to the end. Sometimes it hurts, but the heart will mend. The cycle continues, the water is cold, reading the stories that nobody told. To see Miru, to be seen, Mirareru. Yes, Mirareru. To praise, Homeru, to be praised, Homerareru. Yes, Homerareru. Washing away the tears and the pain, standing alone in the midnight rain. Just let the water flow. Midnight coin laundry, glowing in blue. Things happen to me, things happen to you. Miru becomes Mirareru. Homeru becomes Homerareru. For Ru-verbs, just add RERU to the end. Sometimes it hurts, but the heart will mend. 2 more verbs spinning in the dark, leave a little mark. Suru means to do, to be done. Sareru, yes, Sareru. Kuru means to come, to have someone come. Korareru, yes, Korareru. Midnight coin laundry, laundry, glowing in blue. Now you know what the passive words do. Furareru, Warawareru, Mirareru, seen. Homerareru, praise. Sareru, Korareru. The clothes are clean and the night is through. That was the passive form, to be done. U-verbs change to A plus RERU. Ru-verbs drop Ru and add RARERU. Did you get caught in the rain today? Don't worry, tomorrow will dry. See you at the next place.